Good day, ladies and gents. I hope you're well. Yes, today I'm doing another introduction to this Vita C sweet Vita C blueberry and lemon flavor. Another introduction, because yeah, guys, I don't know about you, but sweets is very creative and out of the box thinking, because sometimes flavors that you have never imagined yourself it will be in an energy drink or in a cold drink form is possible. And yet again they proved it switch. So yeah, ladies and gents, Vita C. Yes, so thank you. As you guys can see, still closed. Yeah, still closed. Oh yes, wanted to let us know. So today I'm not drinking it as a energy booster for my workout, because you know on a Sunday we take off. It's the Lord's time on a Sunday. Although the Lord is part of your body, but it's the Lord's time. Yeah. So the flesh can also get stronger in the Lord, you know? Not just your soul, so that you can strengthen your flesh, so that your flesh can resist certain temptations of the world, you know? Yeah. So here we go. Ah. Nice. Oh. And also today of all days, I'm trying eat the school drink at home. Yeah. So yes, yeah, for those out there that's familiar with the school drink or this drink, can anybody tell me what does the XX20 SA20 mean? The double X SA20. Can anybody tell me what that means, please? On the can, yeah. So yes, that is the Vita C blueberry plus honey, blueberry and honey flavored sparkling drink. Yeah, and don't forget, it's plus zinc, very important. Yeah, so soothing. Yeah, it's very nice, guys. Very nice. It takes you to another dimension. It takes your mind places. You think, okay, you focus. It helps you focus, you know. And also you can feel the energy that it gives off when you're done with drinking it. Yeah. So yes, guys, you have a blessed Sunday and be safe out there, nah? We're coming to a time where the schools are closing, so just bear in mind that the school kids are on vacation and you need to be vigilant and keep a lookout for them, for each other's kids, you know. It's very important, guys. And also the motor vehicles on the road. If you guys drink, stay over by someone's place or before you get too drunk, go home, go sleep it off. Or you stay at the people's houses, sleep it off, yes. And for those people coming from over of the waters, please respect our rules and be patient. Huh?